Hi, in this video we're going to show you the image editing options that you have available to you in the Adobe Acrobat software. So we're going to be talking about the free version, not the pro version, but the pro version does have these same features plus some additional ones if you're using that. So if you need to do things such as, adjust colors, adjust brightness, erase backgrounds, you could actually do that with the free version, which is nice. All right, so I have a document open here. So I have this picture in here. So if you were to right click it and then click on Edit Image, it's going to open it in the editor, so it always takes a moment for it to do so. So here are the options you have for edit and then effects. But if you're using Acrobat Pro, you can see you have some extra options here for the edit options. The effects options, I believe, are the same, but the edit options here, you have some extras. All right, so let's kind of go through these real quick. All right, so obviously, crop. You could crop to a shape here, or drag and drop your own crop, like so. Remove background. So this is not going to work too well on this example. You can see it removes the background there. Or if you want to do a manual erase, you could do that as well, like so. I'll just cancel this one out here and go back in it. All right, so if you want to do things such as adjust the brightness and contrast and colors, you could do so from here. Let's say you want to darken it up a little bit, adjust the highlights, shadows. Obviously, some of these are going to work better than others depending on the picture. Color saturation. You want to sharpen it, for example, you could do that. You could reset it all if you don't want to use any of those. All right, then if you want to add some rounded corners, you can do that too, like that. All right, then we have some options to flip the picture here. You want to do that. And opacity options, if you want to make it kind of transparent, you can do that as well. All right, and then finally we have the effects section here. So if you want to make it just grayscale, you could do that. Darken it, add a tint, add your own custom color there, or use one of these other ones here. You want to make it red, for example. And that's it. So one thing I want to point out, though, on some pictures, so here we have this bigger one here, you can see when you right click it here, it puts it in sections. So let's say you were to darken it, you want it to go here, and you want it to darken this picture, for example. Let's say you want to take it down like 50% here, then apply. Now this part's going to be darker than this part, so you're going to have to go back, edit this, and set it to the exact same setting. Otherwise it's going to be off. And one thing I've noticed that seems to work sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. Okay, let's say, let me go back out of here. Let me copy this first. Go back in here. Let's say you want to do -50 on a bunch of pictures. You go in there. Okay, that works. Sometimes you'll find that even though you do this, it doesn't change the setting and you end up having to drag it. So keep that in mind if you run across that problem, because that has happened to me before. Like I said, sometimes it works fine like it just did now, and sometimes it doesn't. All right, so now our image is darkened the same on both halves. So if they're really long images, I've seen it broken down, even up to like 4 separate sections or more, depending on how big the image is. So you're going to run into that problem as well. All right, so once again, just open up your PDF, right-click on your image, edit image. You're going to have to wait for it to load each time, which is kind of a pain. Choose your selection from there, apply it, and that's all there is to it. And of course, make sure you save your PDF once you're done, otherwise your changes will be lost. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.